It's Mark Hemmings with a really quick but useful technique to help protect your photos. It's adding your copyright to your images when they get imported into Lightroom CC. So I'm using the app version of Lightroom CC, but of course this works for desktop as well. Now I have this picture that I took from Eilat, Israel, and I really like it. So I'd like to make sure that when it gets out into the world that it has a certain amount of protection. Even though, of course, you can never fully protect your photos, having your copyright Mark Hemmings, copyright your name on it, is really useful. So what we're going to do is go to the three little dots at the top right, and we're going to go to Settings, which is at the very bottom. And now what I'd like you to do is go to Import, which is sort of in the middle of the page here. At this point, I'd like you to tap on Metadata Add Copyright. So mine's on, but I'm going to turn it off just to show you. And then when you turn it on, you have the ability to edit and to change your copyright to anything that you want. For example, I could include my email address, I could include my website, or just my name. Anything will work, and you just press Done, and you're all set. Every time that you import an image or photograph it through your phone, and actually through your desktop as well, you will have this copyright added to each photo, and that's really useful. Okay, when you finish adding copyright, just tap on the X at the top right, and you're back to your photo. Okay, I hope that tip helped, and I hope you really enjoy using Lightroom CC.